Okay, so I've finished cleaning up inside of there, and what I'm thinking, as it doesn't have a spare wheel, we could do a base here, big sub, using our template we will make, and we will try and make it to come up a bit, put some glass in there with some lighting, and that just make it look really nice. I've got a small sub in here which I could install for now, but next job I'm going to do is tidy up this engine bay. It does look nice. It's got a nice performance air filter, engine's looking nice and tidy. So next job now is to tidy up this engine bay, and then I will look at feeding some wires through to for the sub and the amp to the stereo, because I don't think there is one going through at this precise moment. This is a wiring for, there's a like tow bar it obviously had at one point. So this time I'm just going to tidy up this engine bay a bit, see how that looks. I've been cleaning the headlights, so as you can see this is really yellow and misty, and I've just been spending half an hour on this one, and it's coming up nice and shiny. There's a little bit of stuff inside, but on the whole that's come up really shiny and clean. So if we stand back, you can definitely tell the difference between the two, and if you look back on the further older video you'll see that both of those were exactly the same.